Hi, my name is Nanda Ganesan. I'm a professor of information systems here at MyCalStateLA. I've been using Office 365 and OneDrive for Business in my teaching as well as for departmental activities. It is now very easy for me and my students to create, modify and share documents online. It's extremely easy, almost trivial, to access OneDrive and open the files. You can basically access the different folders and open the folders and any file in that folder in the same way that you would open any other files on your computer. The new concept is that you create the document and keep it in the cloud, and everybody else have access to the cloud. So that means you are accessing the latest and you are not simply sending documents all around. If you go to a computer that does not have Office, you can still work on the documents in OneDrive by accessing and using something called Word Online, PowerPoint Online, and the others online as well. There are three applications that I use very frequently. The Microsoft OneNote is extremely useful. That is the first application I open when I go into a class and start teaching. What are the favorite features? The ability to create multimedia notes is number one. It doubles up as an electronic whiteboard. Whatever I need to write, I write it on my OneNote notebook and it is projected onto the screen. The students can see it very well from the very end, and I can also go back and forth with the note. The second one is Microsoft Word that I use for creating course material like questions, like short notes, etc. The third application which I use is PowerPoint. PowerPoint, of course, we all use PowerPoint for lecturing. All my lecture notes in PowerPoint are created and stored in OneDrive. Sharing is extensively supported in OneDrive. I can choose to share the files with my students, giving them access to my files and only them the access to the files. I can sometimes make it public. In other words, anybody can see. And if you have some files that are confidential, you can prevent access by using a password. In other words, you can secure the sharing of your files. I definitely will recommend Office 365 and OneDrive for Business at MyCalStateLA to all my colleagues. The cloud computing aspect and Office 365 and OneDrive for Business, they are used in organizations, institutions, businesses, etc. So by using this, we are exposing our students to this new technology. So when they go out and start working, they are already prepared with the technological background that they need. ITS has created a series of videos for you to get started. I urge you to take full advantage of these videos. ITS makes it easy.